Okay guys, we're gonna go wash the Corvette again, but we're gonna do it a little bit differently this time. We're gonna go to a manual car wash, try that out, see how it goes, instead of me washing it on a driveway myself. And did add these little scent things into the vent, so I'm gonna be taking this off, and I got another little decoration I'm gonna be showing you guys as well that I added to it that the Mustang had, and I decided to transfer it to this one. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna clean the inside. It's quite clean, really. But the outside, you can't see it on camera, but it's quite dirty. I mean, look at that. It's super dusty. And the windshield is super dirty. A little bit of dry rain drops on it, and that's a little decoration I added to it. But let's see how this goes. Okay, I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, but it feels right. I think I'm supposed to do a wax or something on it, but it's kind of hard to film at the same time. I think I'm doing this right. It seems alright. Yeah, it's gonna be clean. That's all that matters. Yeah, this purple stuff looks pretty cool, and it's blue. I think it's a triple foam conditioner or something like that. The thing ran out of time. I had to like pay again. But this is pretty cool and it's really fun. I'll probably be coming here often, even though it's a little bit of a drive. But it's definitely clean, and it's in the shade. It's probably a lot better this way as well. Yeah, that's alright. Look how cool that looks though. Okay, so I'm at the drying spot now. This I brought myself. It's a little dirty. But I think I did something wrong. I think I was supposed to do the conditioning purple blue stuff first, wash it off, and then use the brush. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think I dried it properly either. I don't know. It's a lot better than it was before. I guess that's all that matters. But oh wow, I'll probably get rid of these at home myself, the little dry spots. Wow, there's a lot of them. Yeah, this was a little bit of a fail, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was when I brought it here. So technically a win, but a fail in quality. But I mean, if you're look at that, what? I think that's from the inside. Is it? Yeah, that's from the inside. I can clean that. Wow, look at the mirrors. Oof. I need to practice coming here or something if I'm gonna do this. It was really fun too, actually. So that's a win. Yeah, I'm probably gonna come back here like next week or something like that, and then kind of see how well I can do it again. Technically a win, but a little bit of a fail. Still looking pretty good though. And I forgot to clean the exhaust. When you have a lot of fun, you get those little dark spots there. We have a lot of fun. It used up a lot of gas, but you can just wipe it down. And it's that easy. Well, when you're having fun though, keep an eye on that gas meter, because it goes down pretty quick. But I think we're good.